Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce B.O.E Board of Education and the Chief Justice, Warren Earl Burger. The early life of Warren Burger. Chief Justice Warren Burger rose from humble Midwestern roots to become one of the longest-serving Chief Justices in the court's history. He was born in St. Paul, Minnesota in 1907. The youngest of 7 children, Burger grew up in a working-class family. The large family struggled to make ends meet, and at only 9 years old, Burger was already helping with their finances by delivering newspapers. Burger attended John Johnson High School, where he participated in numerous sports and was the president of the student council. Young Burger also wrote articles about high school sports for a local newspaper before graduating in 1925. The education of Warren Burger. After high school, Burger put himself through night school at the University of Minnesota by selling insurance for Mutual Life Insurance. Afterward, he enrolled at St. Paul College of Law and graduated in 1931. From there, Burger joined a prominent St. Paul law firm and taught night classes at the University of Minnesota. Presidential appointment. During his 30-year tenure with the United States Court of Appeals, he gained a reputation as a law and order judge, with a starkly conservative stance on the rights of the accused. He publicly criticized the Fifth Amendment and voiced his concerns that the Supreme Court had overreached in its protection of the accused. It was his reputation and his connections in the Republican Party which attracted the attention of President Nixon, who appointed Burger as the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court in 1969. He experienced virtually no opposition, and his appointment was soon confirmed by the Senate. Landmark case. Although Burger was a lifelong Republican, many of the landmark decisions issued during his term represented clear liberal victories. For example, in Swan v. Chatelatte Mecklenburg Board of Education, the court issued a unanimous ruling supporting busing as a pragmatic approach to reduce de facto racial segregation in schools. Then I'm going to introduce B.O.E Board of Education. Who was involved in this case? They are Oliver Broom, Miss Richard Lawden, and Miss Sadie Emanuel. When did this case happen? On May 17, 1954. The United States Supreme Court decision in Brown v. Board of Education marked a turning point in the history of race relations in the United States. The court stripped away constitutional sanctions for segregation by race and made equal opportunity in the education the law of the land. Where did this case originate? It originated in Topeka, Kansas. Why did your case go to the Supreme Court? Because the Brown decision gave a tremendous impetus to the civil rights movement of the 1950s and the 1960s, the enhanced integration in public facilities and accommodations, segregation maintained by more subtle and intractable force, however, has remained an important element in American society. What was the decision by the Supreme Court? United States Supreme Court Justice Earl Warren delivered the unanimous ruling in the landmark civil rights case, Brown v. Board of Education. And that's my presentation. Thank you for watching.